do Tesla Model 3 wheel spacers cause any rubbing issues?
When it comes to upsizing the wheels, Tesla Model 3 wheel spacers will be useful. If you get a set of alloy wheels that don't quite fit your car because of high offset, wheel spacer will make the offset lower by pushing the wheel further away from the hub assembly. They eliminate potential rubbing issues. In addition, as the wheel inner clearance increases, you can install bigger brake calipers with no problem. As a professional Tesla Model 3 wheel spacers manufacturer, BONOSS created the global patent active cooling technique. A special petal-shaped grooves utilize the rotation of the spacer to allow the external cold air to enter and continuously flow inside the spacer, enhancing the heat dissipation of the brake system. This is effective to improve the heat dissipation of the brake system, reducing brake fade while providing the functions of traditional Tesla Model 3 wheel spacers.
So that's all for today's video. If you want to get BONOSS wheel spacers on Tesla Model 3, please see the link below. See you next time. Bye bye.